Hey there, future scientists. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning super fun. Today, we're going on an amazing adventure to answer a super bright question. What is light? Get ready, because it's going to be illuminating. So, what exactly is light? Look up at the sun, but don't stare directly at it, of course. The sun is like a giant, super powerful light bulb in the sky. It's a huge star, and it's sending out tiny, zippy particles of energy called photons. Imagine billions and billions of super tiny glowing marbles shooting out in all directions. These photons travel incredibly fast, faster than anything else in the entire universe. This amazing stream of photons is what we call light. Now, think about it. Without the sun's light, our planet would be a dark, cold, and lonely place. Light from the sun travels all the way to Earth, which is super far away, and it does it in just about 8 minutes. When it gets here, it warms up our planet, helps plants grow through a process called photosynthesis, and of course lets us see everything around us. It's like the universe's own delivery service for energy and brightness. So, how do we see things? It's like a game of cosmic catch. When light from the sun or a lamp hits an object, say, a bright red apple, the apple doesn't just soak up all the light. Instead, it absorbs most of the colors in the light, but it reflects the red part. That red light then bounces off the apple and travels straight into our eyes. Our eyes are like special detectors that send a message to our brain, and our brain says, "Hey, that's a red apple." The same thing happens with every color you see. A blue shirt reflects blue light, green grass reflects green light, and so on. Isn't that cool? Light doesn't just come from the sun. We've been clever enough to create our own light sources. Think about the light bulb in your room, the screen of the tablet you might be watching this on, or even a crackling campfire. All of these are man-made sources of light. They work in different ways, some by heating a tiny wire until it glows, others using special gases or tiny lights called LEDs, but they all do the same basic job. They create those speedy photons that let us see in the dark. So, even when the sun goes down, we can still read our favorite books and play games. Now for a really mind-bending idea. Light travels in straight lines, called rays. You can see this for yourself. On a sunny day, look at the light coming through a window. You can often see beams of light cutting straight through the air, especially if it's a little dusty. But light can also do some tricky things. It can bones, which is called reflection. That's what happens when you see yourself in a mirror. The light bounces off you, hits the mirror, and then bounces straight back into your eyes. Light can also bend when it passes from one thing to another, like from air into water. This is called refraction. Ever noticed how a straw in a glass of water looks like it's broken at the surface? That's refraction in action. It's light playing tricks on our eyes. So, to wrap it all up, light is a form of energy made of tiny particles called photons that travel in superfast, straight lines. It comes from natural sources like our sun and man-made sources like light bulbs. It bounces and bends, and most importantly, it lets us see the wonderful, colorful world around us. From the brightest star to the tiniest firefly, light is everywhere, making our universe a beautiful and vibrant place. Wow, what a journey into the world of light. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Keep looking around, stay curious, and never stop asking questions. What do you want to learn about next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing science adventures. See you next time.